Hi guys, so we are at pre-station level crossing in Shropshire with Joe Kelly. At least the wind's died down. And one bang, two bang. Oh look, here comes the next tractor. Oh. Right, the time is 13:30 on Tuesday the 31st of May 2016. This is for our 13, our slide delay is 13:25, 1 Victor 42, reach trains well Manchester look at that. To Milford Haven. Oh right, it's done. Delayed and it's now 12:30. Oh, use your brain. You come up on the platform, you can see it from here, and you can still see the light. It's not here yet. I'll tell you when it's here. Lights are totally off sync. By a bit. And the wind's picking up. It's coming from this way, Joe. I know that 'cause if I look down there, the signal's green. You can't see it on the camera though. Because Milford Haven's down there, Manchester's up there, like I've already explained twice. Oh no, it's gone back to double. Oh, don't tell it's doing. No, it's gone to double amber. That means it's waiting to Wem. Is it? Yeah, it's double amber now. Current time now, 12:31. It's about 5 minutes late and it's doing a weird fuzzy thing. Crew, please stop with me. 6 minutes. Whatever it says. And then the one thing about this line today is the Shrewsbury crew services are finally being ran by 150. They're normally always ran by 153. That's still double yellow and it will be until it gets swam. Let's see. Are we closing ages before the train today? Oh, is that it? Very shaky. Very shaky. Cold. Here we go. Could be. I can't see it very well from here. Is that an 8? And it looks like on this track. Is that even a train? Is that 57? You're literally looking out to 75. Is that pace? You know, I can't tell what it is from here. That's, yeah, it's a 175. Thank you, camera. Yeah, I said we can see stuff better from this side if it's coming from that way. Okay, what do we got on our hands today? Guess I'll stand good. Try to protect the mic from wind a bit more. Is this 2 car? I think this is. No, it's 3. Is it? Yeah. 175 102. 102 to Manchester to Milford, sorry, and 3, 2, 1, and up. Lights. Thanks guys, see you in the next video.